Here's a simple toolbox tip for teams working on momentum. Momentum doesn't come from starting more things. It comes from finishing what's already in progress. Many teams feel busy but stuck because they're carrying too much half-done work. And that creates drag, both mentally and emotionally. So here's the tip. Finish one thing before starting anything new. Not perfectly, just intentionally. Pick one piece of work, close it, name it as done. When a team finishes things, trust builds and confidence returns. And that's when momentum starts to feel real again.